have one sub. If you watch the video, you'll see it. It'll be that bottom left corner sub.
Okay.
And what it's doing, it's wired backwards.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Huh?
What's your name and what's in here real quick?
So it's the same setup as last time. It's 6 Tantric HDDs, except I switched up to 2 B2 Riot 16Ks on the same amount of C-Max and 2 Brand X alternators.
Okay. Nice.
So,
wow, this is, you got the whole floor solid everywhere. Wow.
yeah, bro, nothing. I'm still, bro, I took the truck and I rested for a whole year.
Yeah.
I regained, recouped. I'm just now coming back out, so.
All right. Awesome. Is it better door open or closed? Okay.
Turned down right now, so like I said, like I have one sub. If you watch the video, you'll see it. It'll be that bottom left corner sub.
Okay.
And what it's doing, it's wired backwards, so I have to crawl in there, but
Out of phase?
out of phase.
Awesome, thank you. Dustin, right?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, dude.
Can I see the amp in the back?
Yeah, come on, man.
Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vila. Hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got a Dustin system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021, located at the Tampa, Florida area. I went ahead and showed you the thumbnail of his previous demo he gave me about 2 years ago when he had 1618s inside on a Viking 10K. I put that description video link in the description if you want to check it out. So you can kind of see where he's coming, where he is. Having 618s is a lot of cone area, so give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the layout of the box. It may not be the prettiest, and of course it wasn't as easy to get a view to show you how the subs looked because it was pretty dark in there. But one of his subs he was saying was having issues. I noticed there in the demo you could see the subs weren't flexing all in order. And a lot of people always ask, if the subwoofers facing each other like this, does it affect the waves? I would say no, as long as everything is in order and flexing in the right direction. So if anybody ever has that question, you really don't have issues with cancellation with this type of box, as long as everything's wired properly. And I've never seen these amplifiers until now. The 16,000 watt Riot B2 audio is pretty impressive to see how much power they were pushing out. And he didn't turn it up all the way. I know during the demo, he was just giving me the sauce. You can see with the window up, it seemed like he was about to break his windshield from how much flex it was coming out. And this is a 2-to-1 ratio, 4th order. And he probably is metering over a 160 dB when he burped it pretty much full tilt. But during this demo, it's probably around a 56 to 57 on music. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this pretty impressive demo of 618s.
Pretty loud, man.
It's turned down right now. So
It is?
like I said, like I have one sub. If you watch the video, you'll see it. It'll be that bottom left corner sub.
Okay.
And what it's doing, it's wired backwards, so I have to crawl in there, but
Out of phase?
out of phase.
Awesome, thank you. Dustin, right?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. You have a good day, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.